Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can mention or tag someone in our Instagram story without showing their name. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, let's just create an Instagram story. I'm just going to upload a photo from my device. I'm going to upload this photo, for example. Then we can click on your story to share this Instagram story. And after the Instagram story has been uploaded, we can wait guys, it's still loading. After it has been posted, we can edit the story. We can click on this three dots and you just need to click on add mentions. Okay, and I'm just going to take this account. Okay, and now the mention has been added to this Instagram story without showing her name. Alright guys, and that's how we can tag someone or mention someone in our Instagram story without showing their name. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.